Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send attachment to ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, make sure you have opened chatgpt.com, or you can also open up the ChatGPT application on your computer or on your phone. And here I have opened the ChatGPT on my computer. And then if I want to send attachment to ChatGPT, we just need to click on the attach files option, and here we'll be able to send file from our computer, or we can send a file from our Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. And for example, I'm going to send files from my computer. And here we can choose file we want to send to the ChatGPT. And for example, I'm just going to send an image to ChatGPT. Okay. And then we can add the message for ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT about this image. What do you think about this image? Like this, and I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. And this is the result. As you can see, that the attachment has been sent to ChatGPT. Okay guys, and that's all the way to send files or attachment to ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!